All right, let's dive into the incredible power of the law of assumption. Firstly, understand this. What you assume to be true becomes your reality. Your assumptions shape your experiences, your outcomes, and your life. So what do you assume about yourself? About your capabilities? About your future? Here's the thing. Assume greatness. Assume success. Assume abundance. Picture yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions of achieving your goals. See yourself enjoying the fruits of your labor. When you assume success, you align yourself with the energy of achievement. You attract opportunities. You manifest your desires effortlessly. But it doesn't stop there. You must also take inspired action. Your assumptions should fuel your determination to work towards your goals. Believe in your assumptions. Act on them, and watch as the universe conspires to make them your reality. So, from this moment on, embrace the law of assumption. Let your assumptions be the guiding light towards your dreams. You have the power within you to create the life you desire. Assume it, believe it, achieve it.